What is this now? How's first I call it?
Anthracite.
Huh?
Anthracite.
That's rock.
Dinosaur juice.
Even more?
You can fill it up.
Why is it blowing out there?
Because it's open.
But that's this little rod here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's all the way pulled my way.
Yeah, then you have to just move a tiny bit forwards or backwards. With the locomotive, with the whole locomotive. And actually, when you stand and it's still blowing out there, you didn't close this all the way.
Even when this is closed, I guess I'd not close it all the way then, because sometimes you get a huge speed down this hill.
Found a new profession?
I think I need more fire. I need more something. Running out of coal. All aboard.
Enjoying yourself?
Thank you for traveling with us. Goodbye.